Hello everybody, this is Roger from Roger's Reviews, and today we're going to be going over the Werner 3-step platform step stool. And like I said, I've had this probably for about a month or two, and as you can see, it's been used quite a bit. I took it to my shop. We have a tree service, and we also do a lot of own repairs, and we're always climbing up and down. We use this too to hang up security lights, get up in the attic, work on different electrical stuff, and just basically all around maintenance in a small shop. So I've had quite a few of these step stools before, but I wanted something a little taller, a little more stable, and I saw this at Home Depot. And Werner, it's a pretty good name. They make a lot of step ladders, and this max load capacity is 250 pounds. I weigh almost 250 pounds, and when I get up on there, it's very stable. And what I like about it too, it's just really easy to lock in, and it has a big red handle here, so you just pick up that handle and fold it, and when it comes down, it locks into place. It's all aluminum construction. You can see there's aluminum welds here, and of course the steps are plastic, which I guess if you're working on electrical, that's good too, so you're not grounded. So, but what I like about it is when you walk up, you can actually hold on, and then when you step up to the top, you can actually brace your legs right here. And you can lean forward and kind of put your knees against here. It makes it very stable. It's more stable than a ladder, because on a ladder you can't really stabilize yourself, but this here, it's almost like the perfect height, because you can reach almost anything. Like I can reach probably, I don't know, 10 or 11 feet. I can probably grab a basketball rim by standing on here. So for this around the house, you're probably going to be able to gain access to almost anything with this stool. You probably won't need anything else. Unless you're getting in a high attic or something like that, then I recommend like a telescopic ladder. But this is like the perfect little step stool. It's very lightweight, very easy to use. I mean, this thing is like, man, probably, I don't know if it has a weight on here, but I would say it's less than 20 pounds. Probably like 10 or 15 pounds, under 20 pounds. Very super lightweight, very durable, very strong. And like I said, we've had like 3 or 4 guys using it around the shop for a couple weeks. And it's, inside, outside, very stable. So I recommend the Werner step stool. Like I said, you can tell it's been used quite a bit by multiple people. Anywhere from, I've had guys over close to 300 pounds on this thing. Very stable. Our lightest guy is like 150 pounds. We got another guy that's about 170. I'm about 240. Got a guy that's like 270. We've all used it. Been very stable. I recommend it. I give it a thumbs up. I think everybody should have one of these. It's just a really good tool. You pick them up around at Home Depot for less than 50 bucks. One of the best investments you'll ever make. It's super stable. It's safer than a ladder, and it's a lot more convenient. A lot of people don't want to carry around the ladder. This also too, I threw it in my Nissan Leaf. I mean, it's very compact. It's taller than most step stools, and I just think it's a very, very handy device to have. So, yeah, just very, very, very stable. It's very wide, very comfortable. You feel comfortable when you're on it. So if you like this review, please crush the like button, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe, and we'll bring you more tools that you can use around the house, give you more information. If you want to buy one of these, it'll give you good information to make a better buying decision. This is Roger, and with Roger's Reviews. Thank you very much for watching.